So today on Will at Home, we're creating a dish. Basically, it's fish cooked in banana leaf. So this is a dish that sort of originates from northern Thailand generally, but also they have it in Indonesia, they have it in Malaysia, all around Southeast Asia. So the first step that we're going to have to do is create the curry paste for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of my turmeric in here. I've also got some krachai, and I've also got some chili, and then I also have my curry paste. But I'm gonna pop this into here and pound this first, and the krachai as well. And that's just gonna give a little extra flavor to it and a bit more earthiness to it. Add in my lime leaf as well. And then we're gonna pound this so it's nice and fine. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt in there as well, because that just helps break it down a little bit, like sort of sand. I wear my glasses so it doesn't spray up in my face. So I've used just a normal red curry paste. I mean, this dish traditionally is called Mok Pla, but I've adapted it by just using some red curry paste, and then I've heightened up the flavors. And I think this is the great thing when you're cooking at home and not in a restaurant, is that you can add little bits like this to heighten the flavors, and easier and quicker the speed to cook. Because making curry paste takes a long time. Okay, now I'm going to add in my curry paste. There we go. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of chili powder, just to give it a bit more of a zhuzh. And that's the Thai roasted chili powder. Okay, I think that'll do. So now I'm going to get my fish. I'm just going to pop that into here. And then I'm going to get my curry paste. And I'm going to put this into here. And we're going to start mixing away. Putting that in here. Traditionally, not a lot of sugar is really used in the north. It's mainly, more umami like shrimp paste and blara and those sort of things. But I might just add just a touch, not much, just a touch, just to weten it and just to take out some of that heat that will probably be in there. Okay, there we go. Then we're going to add in fish sauce. But be careful, because we've already added salt in there. We don't add too much. And these pre-bought curry pastes are generally already sort of seasoned as well. There we go, you can smell those flavors. Gonna add a little bit of oil in as well, just to loosen it up. Also give it a bit of a sheen and a gloss when we're cooking it, when it comes out. There we go. Yeah, it's already quite well seasoned. So again, just be careful with these pastes because they already do have a lot of seasoning in them already. So we're going to now grab our banana leaf, put that to one side. Actually, I'll just add in my basil and my herbs. So you can use holy basil or you can use Thai basil. Today we're using Thai basil. Let's mix that through. You can also use lemon basil in here as well, which will go very well. There we go. I'm going to do this banana leaf quite simply. So it's just, I'm going to cut a larger piece, like this. And then we're going to put another piece here in the middle. And then we're just going to fold it over like that, basically. And then skewer the ends. Very, very simple. So we'll just cut this here. There we go. Put this in a banana leaf. Fish. And again, it's going to be very simple because the dish is normally also served with lots of vegetables on the side and some namprik num, which we've got. Also some pork crackling sometimes as well. So we'll just bring that over here, put that over here. Yeah, and then we'll just fold that here. Fold that into there. The Thais do it very simply. They're not as ornate as, say, the Indonesians. And that's it. Done, ready to go. Very simple. So let's just do another one. And by giving an extra layer in there, it just protects it from burning. So that's what we're sort of doing, why we're putting an extra layer in. Okay, I'll do that into here. And then you just flip it over like that. And that's how they serve it like that. Okay, so now we're ready to grill our fish. Okay, so now we just pop this on here and we allow this slowly to grill. So here goes our apla. You just pop that onto here. Or if you want to, we can open it up slightly for them. There you go. You have that steamed yumminess in there. Steamed and smoked grilled fish. And here we have our apla, or jungle curry, wrapped in banana leaf and grilled over coconut husks with namprik num and fresh vegetables.